Hey guys, I want to show you something really exciting. This is a free website that you can use to send large files. So if you have like a video file or just anything that is, I want to say under 2 GB, you have up to 2 GB to use this for free. You can totally use it. You can send this to whomever you want. And I have found it very, very useful, whether it's just for very large files or even a lot of the videos that I've done. Maybe my Doodly videos, I've created Doodly video gifts for people. This has been a great way to send those to the recipients, okay? So this is called WeTransfer.com. And the reason that you see this whole thing here kind of changing pictures is because I did go ahead and enable the ads to play. The reason I did that is because it is a free service, so I sort of wanted to support them in any way I could. They do have a pro version, in which case you can send up to 20 GB. However, again, for up to 2 GB, using this for free, it is a pretty good deal. Okay, so the way this works is you would put your own email address in here. You would put the email address of the person you are sending the file to over here. You can put in a message if you want, okay? And what you would do is you can either select a folder or you can add your file here. So I went ahead and I uploaded a file, okay? This is 90 megabytes here. All right, so it's like a 17 or a 19-minute long video, and it's easily in a 720. Every time I make a video, it's at least in 720 or above. I like to keep my videos in high definition, okay? So what'll happen is it will go ahead. It might take a few minutes, just depending on how big your file is, I guess how big your connection is, that kind of thing. And you can type your message. And what it'll do is when you hit the transfer button, then it's going to give you the option to either have them send your email like a code. They just want to make sure that it's you, or they might not actually do that if you sign up, which you certainly can. I haven't, but you certainly can. Okay. And again, if we were to go to the help page, then it'll just kind of give you all of this information. Okay. So remember, the free service allows you to send up to 2 GB. The pro service allows for 20 GB, okay? And I don't even know what TB is, but apparently it goes even beyond that, okay? There's a whole bunch of other really cool articles here. And like I said, I have had a blast using this. It has been extremely helpful, okay? And so just to give you an idea of how big of a file you might be able to send, I mean, I have all kinds of videos here, okay? And as you can see, I mean, whether it's 6 minutes, 10 minutes, I'm trying to, okay, here's like 30 minutes. And as you can see, it's only 110 megabytes. All right. I have sent videos that were, I want to say at least an hour, if not 2 hours long, maybe even longer using WeTransfer. Okay. So guys, I just wanted to let you know that when you do send the video to the person, you're going to get an email letting you know that the transfer was successful. Okay. It's not a half bad idea to stay on the page, or at least let that, stay up. If you have, maybe the last, I think it's the tab suspender, I use it. If you have something that suspends tabs, then I would probably disable it for this website if it does take a little bit longer. That way you don't lose what you were doing. Allow everything to upload. When that is done and when it is transferred, you'll get an email letting you know that it has transferred. You'll also get an email letting you know when the recipient has downloaded it. And if they haven't downloaded it within a week, you'll get an email letting you know. I think they have like 2 days. So maybe 5 days later, they'll let you know they've got 2 more days left to do it. And you can always contact them, let them know, that kind of thing. So again, totally for free. This is a really, really cool site to use. I hope you guys find this helpful. If you are doing videos for people, whether it's clients or again, gifts or anything for anybody and they're large, this is something that is so easy to use, doesn't cost a penny. I have been using it for a long time. I really, really love it, and I hope this helps you out. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button so it'll get out to more people. And I talk about using free tools, free programs as often as possible to help you with all of your digital creative projects, whether they are personal, professional, whatever. So, and if you have any questions or any ideas, leave them in the comments section. And if it's something I know how to do, I will create a video showing you how to do it. Okay, guys? So I hope you found this helpful. And until next time, take care.